Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Brazil. In this video I will show you how you can download and install MSI Afterburner on your PC. So first of all, search for MSI Afterburner and click on the first website. Then you will come to this page where you will have the download Afterburner option. Just click on it to download. I have already downloaded it, and its size is about 53 MBs. And to extract it, you can extract it anywhere, but I will extract it over here in a folder. After extracting it, click on open, then run the setup. It will run the setup to install the MSI Afterburner in your PC. Select the language, click on OK, click on next, then accept the terms. After that, again click on next, then again click on next, and it will start to install MSI Afterburner. Then you can browse the location where you want to install it, and after that you need to click on next. Then again, if you want to read it, it's up to you. Otherwise, click on install, and it will start to install, and it will take a few moments, and after that you will see that it has been installed. Then again you need to install Revia Turner if you want, and also it will be also installed as well. Then wait for it to finish, click on finish, and MSI burner will be launched. Before that, if you want to read this versions or not, it's up to you. Otherwise, skip it and click on finish. Then here, as you can see, it has been installed, and here is our MSI burner. Now you can overclock your PC, see the specs while playing the games like FPS, temperature, etc. That's all guys. It was the guide to install MSI Afterburner. I will see you in next video.